Hi everyone! Let us practice Guess the Sea Animals quiz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? 20 questions, 5 seconds each. Let's begin. Which sea animal is this? Answer is dolphin. Which sea animal is this? Answer is octopus. Which sea animal is this? Answer is jellyfish. Which sea animal is this? Answer is seahorse. Which sea animal is this? Answer is starfish. Which sea animal is this? Answer is squid. Which sea animal is this? Answer is shark. Which sea animal is this? Answer is sea turtle. Which sea animal is this? Answer is whale. Which sea animal is this? Answer is manatee. Which sea animal is this? Answer is clownfish. Which sea animal is this? Answer is seal. Which sea animal is this? Answer is stingray. Which sea animal is this? Answer is sea urchin. Which sea animal is this? Answer is pufferfish. Which sea animal is this? Answer is lobster. Which sea animal is this? Answer is sea shrimp. Which sea animal is this? Answer is leafy sea dragon. Which sea animal is this? Answer is nautilus. Which sea animal is this? Answer is marlin. Well done! You have aced the quiz!